New York at night. New York City, famously known as the city that never sleeps, transforms into a dazzling wonderland when the sun sets. Nighttime in New York is an experience like no other, with its bright lights, bustling streets, and an endless array of things to see and do. This video will explore the enchanting atmosphere of New York at night, from its iconic landmarks lit up in all their glory to the vibrant nightlife that keeps the city alive and buzzing until the early hours of the morning. As darkness falls over the city, the skyscrapers and streets come alive with millions of lights, creating a mesmerizing urban landscape. One of the most iconic sights is Times Square, the heart of New York's entertainment district. Here, gigantic digital billboards flash with colourful advertisements, illuminating the area with their radiant glow. The energy is palpable as crowds of people from all over the world gather to take in the spectacle, making it a must-visit spot for anyone exploring New York at night. Another landmark that shines brightly at night is the Empire State Building. This historic skyscraper offers breathtaking views from its observation decks, where visitors can gaze out over the city's twinkling lights. The building itself is often lit up in different colours to celebrate various occasions, adding to the magic of the New York skyline. New York's nightlife is as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. From cosy jazz clubs in Greenwich Village to flashy dance clubs in the meatpacking district, there's something for everyone. Music lovers can enjoy live performances ranging from classical music at Carnegie Hall to the latest hits played by top DJs in exclusive nightclubs. For those who prefer a more relaxed evening, there are plenty of bars and lounges where you can enjoy a drink and perhaps even strike up a conversation with a local or fellow traveller. Dining out in New York at night is another adventure altogether. The city is home to an incredible variety of restaurants offering cuisines from around the globe. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite from a street vendor or a luxurious meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant, New York's culinary scene will not disappoint. Food trucks and late-night eateries serve everything from classic New York pizza to international delicacies, ensuring that you'll never go hungry, no matter the time. For those interested in culture and history, New York's museums and galleries often host evening events and exhibitions. These events provide a unique opportunity to explore art and artifacts in a more intimate setting, away from the daytime crowds. Special night tours and talks can offer new perspectives on the collections, making for an educational and entertaining experience. Walking through New York at night also allows for unexpected discoveries. Strolling along the High Line, an elevated park built on a historic freight rail line, offers stunning views of the city illuminated against the night sky. The streets of neighbourhoods like Soho and the East Village come alive with the sounds of music and laughter, inviting passers-by to join in the fun. It's in these moments that the true spirit of New York shines brightest, in the spontaneous encounters and shared experiences that can happen at any turn. Safety is, of course, a consideration when exploring any city at night, and New York is no exception. While the city is generally safe, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings and stick to well-lit, populated areas. Using common sense and taking basic precautions can help ensure that your night out in New York is both enjoyable and safe. In conclusion, New York at night is a world unto itself, offering endless possibilities for entertainment, exploration, and discovery. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the intimate corners of the city's neighborhoods, there's always something new to see and experience. Whether you're a night owl or simply looking to soak up the unique atmosphere of the city after dark, New York at night promises an unforgettable adventure.